Wanna make some fun DIYs? Then keep Hey guys, it's me Saumya and welcome back to my channel. So, I'm back with another fun video for you guys, which is 5 DIYs for when you are bored. Technically, this is the third part of my series 10 things to do when you are bored, but with a little bit of a twist. So, before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss out my video. And give this video a thumbs up if you find this helpful. All my social media links would be in the description, so go follow me there. And guess what? We just achieved our first milestone, which is 150 subscribers. So keep supporting like this, and without further ado, let's get started. So to make lucky stars like these, the things you are going to need are strips of paper which is 30 cm long and a scissor. So first you have to make a loop like this, and after that you have to put the smaller end through the loop to make a knot. Make it nice and tight. Now you can see a pocket here, so you have to tug the end like so. And then you have to start wrapping it up. Here I am showing how to wrap it. So when you are done, you will get to see a pocket, so you have to tuck the excess strip of paper in it. If the excess strip is too long to go through it, just trim it. After that, you will get to see a nice pentagon. Then you have to squeeze it up like this, and there you have it, a cute little lucky star. You can make lots of lucky stars and store it in a fancy jar. So to make temporary tattoo, you are going to need body powder, cotton and permanent marker, but here I am using alcohol based marker. So to get started, first you are going to draw any tattoo you like with a permanent marker. You're going to put some powder on it and dab it with a cotton. Then you have to go through the tattoo again with the help of a marker. Again you have to go and put some powder and dab it really nice. Here I have not drawn the tattoo really nicely, but if you use a thin marker and do all the steps correctly, you will get to see a really nice tattoo. For making a bookmark, you are going to need a marble paper. First, fold it in half and make a triangle. Then make a crease. Then open it up and fold it again. Then open it up again and fold it like this on both the sides. After that, fold it in half like this. Flip it and then you will get to see a partition. And then you have to fold it this way. Then you will get to see a pocket. You have to tuck the triangles in it. And there you have it, a bookmark. So here I'm showing you how to use it. I don't like the way it looks, so I decided to spice it up and turn it into a sunflower. So for making a mug cake, you're going to need a microwave safe mug and a fork. Then you're going to need milk. It depends on how many Oreos you are using. Then you need Eno, which is totally optional, and OREO. First, you have to break the Oreos in small pieces and put it in the mug. Then add some milk. After that, crush the Oreos really nicely and mix it up. After mixing, it should look something like this. Then add Eno, which is optional. Then again you have to mix it up and put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Then it should look something like this. Here I am using a toothpick to check whether it's cooked perfectly. So this is our delicious cake which only took 1 minute. So to make beautiful bracelets, you are going to need a writing pad, embroidery thread or wool, scissors, and a tweezer if you make any mistake. First, you are going to cut 2 threads of each color, which is going to be 1 meter long. Then you have to take all the threads, put it together and make a knot at the end. Then flip it on the writing pad and separate all the colors and make a braid and end it with a knot. To get started, you are going to make a forward knot twice. So here I am showing how to make a forward knot.
forward knots, put that string away and make 2 forward knots with the rest of the strings. Have to repeat the same thing again and again until you reach the size of your wrist. This is how the pattern looks. I decided to make an adjustable bracelet. That's why I started making my bracelet with a braid. So this is how adjustable bracelet works. If you want an in-depth video, please let me know down in the comments. And this is the final look.
So this was my video on DIYs for when you are bored. I hope you found this helpful. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss out my new video. So bye bye, take care and keep smiling.